guys, how are you? Welcome back. So today I'm bringing you an unboxing of Boxycharm. So this is the May box. If you don't have Boxycharm, it's a monthly subscription. You'll get 5 full-size products and you get to choose one product every month of choice if you make the window. So you got to make sure you make the window. If you miss it, they'll send you a product that they feel that it's best for you. If you guys are interested in signing up to Boxycharm, I will link the link down below. Also, I will also link the monthly subscription details, or what the prices are of the Boxycharm. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So I didn't do all my makeup because some of the products that are in the box I'm gonna need to put on. So I wanted to kind of do like a unboxing and try them for you guys. So let's get started and show you what came in my Boxycharm. So this one is Mother Nature. Let's see. And I got the 23 edition. So each box has like an edition, or that different boxes are, you know, they're all different. So if you, whichever one you get. Let's start off with the first product that I got in the box. So the first product I got it's the Tarte High Performance Natural Micellar Magic Water. So this one is, let's see, the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser, the ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is gentle, no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup. So unfortunately, I won't be taking off my makeup because I'm putting some makeup on, but I want to try this just to see. And you want to remove this little rubber here, so when you push it, it doesn't go crazy. So the little rubber is just to keep it from what's it called, from spilling. So as you can see, you remove the little. So we're gonna try. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on my hand so you guys can see, just to clean it. And I'm gonna use it to try it. So I'm gonna use a cotton round. And this is the reason why you take out that little rubber, because otherwise it'll go kind of like crazy. So we're gonna remove that. Actually smells really nice. It's not like super strong. I hate when they smell really strong. So see, it removed it. So there you go. So that's that. I can't wait to try it tonight to remove my makeup. So that was one item, and the retail value for that one is $18. That's actually a good price, because I know for some prestige products, they go from in the 20s to even $50. This one is a 6.4 ounces. So the next product is the Elemis Dynamic Surfacing Facial Pad. So this was my product of choice. When I decided on this product, I didn't know it had tocopherol, which I won't be able to use it, but they're these, let's see what these say. So these, it says dynamic resurfacing facial pads are powered by Elemis patent tri-enzyme technology combined with the mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex, and they run for $59. I'm bummed that I can't use it. Well, maybe I'll put it in another giveaway or give it to somebody. Okay, so the next product is Pretty Vulgar, and it's eye makeup eyeshadow primer. So this is an eyeshadow primer, and this one runs for, let's see, $22. So it says blendable lightweight skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant. So let's go ahead and try that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my clean hand. Oh, it's kind of, I always like to smell stuff. So we are gonna apply that. Use my finger, but I wanted to use a brush since I already have my makeup on. I didn't want to like make a mess. Let's see. It blends really nice. It's kind of a little bit sticky. Even with the brush, I can feel it. I like to put it on the root of my lashes when I put the liner. It kind of helps the liner too. So I felt that it was a little bit on the sticky side. I'm like, since I was putting it with the brush, it was hard to tell, but if I touch my eyelids, it does feel a little kind of tacky. So probably that means that it'll hold the product. Okay, so the next product, let's unwrap this. It's called Violet Voss Essentials. So it's an eyeshadow palette. So this is the palette. Pretty colors. All right, so we are gonna create something with this. So let's get started. So this palette runs for $22 and I'm gonna use the cream color. It's a little, I don't know if it's the eyeshadow base, but I feel like it's kind of like bumpy. Maybe I put too much eyeshadow base. It's almost like it's the eyeshadow sticking, so maybe that eyeshadow base is a little bit, like I said, tacky. The next color I will use, let's go with some gold. We're gonna use the gold, and it's called gold. We're gonna put that here. And you kind of have to tap it. I'm kind of trying to get as much color as I can. It's a pretty gold. It looks yellow, which I like. Let's see, my other brush. So now I'm gonna go with terracotta, which is this color here. It has nice pigment, a little powdery. Just gonna go with the clean brush just to kind of clean that off. And then I just grab the gold and kind of blend them together so it looks, the transition looks smoother. So it almost looks like you're adding 3 colors instead of 2 colors. Okay, and for the crease, I'm gonna use the lighter color, which is called Sand. I'm gonna add a little more color, so I am gonna add cinnamon, which is this here. I'm gonna grab some of the gold and run it down here. And the cinnamon with the other brush. Okay, so I'm gonna put some mascara and I'll come back. Next product is Lip It Up Satin Lipstick by Dose of Color. And this one runs for $17. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on and try it out. So it says it's a satin lipstick. It feels chalky to me. And it looks chalky. I don't know if I like it. And it comes like that. It sticks out a lot. I'm afraid to even break it. All right, well, we will see how it wears and how it, you know, separates and stuff. So that was it, you guys. This was everything in my Boxycharm. If you guys would like to share what you got in your Boxycharm, comment down below. Comment, not comment. Comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give me a like. Also, if you guys want to subscribe to Boxycharm, I'm linking it everything down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on my next video. Love you. Take care.